Please note, this is not a video on how to steal a boat. It is a video on how to keep your boat from being stolen. Hi, I'm Alan Stokel, and some guy called Jerry posted on my how to get a boat for free video, steal one. You know, that would be all too easy. So on this video, how to keep your boat from being stolen. Take a look at this boat. The outboard's locked, but the kill cord is on. The main hatch is locked, but how about the forward one? The lines are secured to the dock, but anyone could undo them, start the motor, and then take off. How about this dinghy? It's brand new, and all I need is one of these dead man switches called kill cords, and I'm off. Or how about this? A boat with a motor on a trailer with no trailer lock. Gone in 60 seconds. So now I've just shown you how to steal a boat. Maybe I'm going to have to show you on how to keep your boat from being stolen. Someone once said you can't stop a determined thief, which is probably true, but you can discourage someone from stealing your stuff by locking it. There are so many other boaters who don't, that the thief will probably just move on to the next one. They want something quick and easy, and that doesn't attract attention. Here's what I do to keep my stuff from being stolen. I have a locker on my dock with my expensive stuff in it, and that I may need, such as grinders and polishers and other tools. I keep them in one or two lockers that stay with my cradle. I chain them together and lock them. It's the same way with my ladders and step stools. I lock them together. Now, I'm at my boat almost every day in season, so although I do lock up the hatches and the outboard, I rely on my neighbors to keep an eye out, and I do the same for them. Anyone I don't know at the dock, I give a friendly hi. If they hang around looking, I ask how I can help and sometimes drop a few false names. Oh, are you looking for Chuck and Di? If they say yes, I know they're up to something, and the friendly banter ceases. That brand new dinghy? Think about a chain around the bar handle or D-ring and the dock. My dinghy outboard was stolen and later recovered after they scraped off the serial number. You can see how easy it is to steal one. Break off one of those clamp handles and the lock is off. I use a bar lock, which is much longer. I also keep a register of my serial numbers of all my possessions, and I record a short phone video of exactly what it is that's on my boat on a given day, just to help the insurance adjusters. Now let me tell you about mysterious disappearance. Mysterious disappearance is when, for instance, I ride my bike to the store and I leave it out front. When I come back, it's gone. I didn't lock it. Is it insured? Will I get my money? Probably not, because many insurance policies have a mysterious disappearance clause. It basically means that you need to be able to prove that the item was locked. A broken lock will do, or a witness that saw someone take it. Check with your agent. When someone stole my outboard, it was in a locked car. The thief smashed the window to gain entry. Was it covered by my car insurance? No. just the broken glass. The motor was not covered unless it was locked to the vehicle. Luckily, I had boat insurance. It was covered through the boat insurance. Do you have an interesting story about your boat or any loss prevention tips? I can provide a sheet for loss prevention tips if you like. Just email me at the email address below. My name is Alan Stokel. Make sure to like our video and subscribe. Please watch the ads. It helps a lot. Thank you.